So it's a gap down open for dollar. We are on 31st Friday, October. So another 1 minute we'll be having the open. So what we'll be doing is we'll be clicking on this current day data button at 9:15, and then we'll get the prices for all the scripts. That is the 30 scripts what we have in a single screen. And we'll be getting the prices on both the buy side and the sell side. Once we get the prices for the buy side and the sell side, then we can start trading. And for some scripts where we don't have the data at 9:15, we'll be taking the data at 9:20. So it's 9:15 now. So what I'm going to do is I'll just click on the current day data button. So on the left bottom corner, you can just see this small icon, which indicates that the data is being updated. So we'll just wait till the data is updated, and then we can click on this auto refresh on button, and then we'll be getting the prices for most of the scripts. Like we have the prices for Nifty, Bank Nifty, HDFC, Axis, Infosys. So once we have the prices, then we can actually start placing the trades also. So what you are seeing here is the name of the script, Nifty. Against it is the current market price, and SL is your stop loss, and 150 what you are seeing is actually the number of lots. So I'm just clicking on the auto refresh on button. So here we have the prices for most of the scripts except RELINFRA, BHARATFORGE, GAIL, KAIN, DLF, CIPLA. So this vertical red lines what you are seeing, we don't have the data for this script set. So what we will be doing is we'll be actually clicking on the current day data button again at 9:20 to get these prices. So meanwhile we have seen a buy call in ADANIPOWER 4660, that is the entry for a buy call, and your stop loss is 4640. The stop loss is very near. So in case if you can afford the stop loss, then you can start trading in ADANIPOWER. And TCS we have a buy call, you can see that here 2578.7. TATAMOTORS we have a sell call 523. So meanwhile what I'll be doing is I'll be opening the trading tree charts also, so that we'll be able to get the targets for particular scripts very easily. So Tata Motors is at target 1 now. So the way how you will be trading is you'll short one lot of Tata Motors in futures at the current market price. The current market price whichever is existing at that point of time. BHARTIARTL, you can see that we have a sell call, but it started beyond this intermediate target. So we will be taking a call on this once we open the trading tree charts. Both are different softwares. So we can have an idea of where BHARTIARTL will end up once we have the charts ready. So we have taken the backfill. So let me just open the charts quickly. Once we open the charts, then we'll be able to trade better. Ranback, you can see that you have a buy call. So DLF is a strong buy which is still continuing. It's a gap up open actually. You can see that it is at 124. So we have a buy call in Axis Bank, that is 434.50. So the prices what you are seeing on this particular chart right now are the equity prices. So with the equity prices you can trade in both, all the segments, that is equity, that is the cash or the spot market. You can trade in futures, and you can even trade in options also. Meanwhile, we have a buy call in SBI 2660.
There is a sell call in BHARTIRTL1. There is a buy call in KTKBANK1.
So that is the alerts what we get in TradingTree software. So we have a buy call in Can India, BHARTIARTL, we have a sell call, which already we have seen it in your FuturesTree file. So the target can be something like S1 for BHARTIARTL. So let me just open the remaining charts. Karnataka Bank, we have the results today. We have a buy call now. TCS, you can see that it is at target 2. So it's 9:20. What I'll do is I'll just close this auto refresh off. I'll take the current day data again. So I'll be getting the prices for all the other scripts also. So this I'll be able to see at the left bottom corner again. You can see that the icon is feeding the data for you. So once that stops, what we'll do is we'll click on this auto refresh on button, and then we can start placing the trades for the other scripts. But otherwise, TCS, we have a buy Axis, we have a buy Ranbaxy, we have a buy GAIL, we have a buy ADANIPOWER, we have a buy CENTURYTEX, we have a buy BHARTIARTL, we have a sell. Okay, now it is done. You can see that the icon is gone. Now we can just put it on auto refresh on and just put it on full screen mode. So we have a buy call in Wipro. GAIL, we have a buy call. Tata Steel, we have a sell call. DLF, we have a sell call. Century Textiles and Adani Power are both buy. Yes Bank, we have a buy call. So these are the calls that we have. So what I'll do is I'll just open the remaining charts. So DLF is a sell call, now is an intermediate target. So for every script that you enter, you have the stop losses here. Right below the name of the symbol, we'll have the stop loss figure. So if you can afford that stop loss, then you enter the trade. BharatForge, we have a buy call.
There is a buy call in Hero Motor 1.
So you'll be getting this pop-up and voice alerts only in Trading Tree software.
There is a buy call in NT1.
So we have that buy call in Infosys, which is continuing its yesterday's trend. So most of them are gap up opens, but we can still trade. So IDBI we have a buy, and we have a buy in even Axis Bank also, sorry, Infosys also.
There is a buy call in C1.
So ITC we have a buy call. NTPC we have a sell.
There is a buy call in ring back C1.
So we'll just come back again and we will check the charts for our final targets. So the first thing is, once we have this,
There is a buy call in I1.
so we have that SBI buy call. It's a gap up open.
There is a buy call in Sun Farm 1.
So Hindalco we have a sell call.
There is a sell call in the ADANIPOWER tier 1.
So you can just see that we already have a sell call in FuturesTree for Tata Motors, and same thing with Tata Steel also.
There is a buy call in Tech 1.
So all gap up opens and we are getting all buy calls in Trading Tree, but that might not be the case in FuturesTree. So just opened all the charts. Now what we'll do is we'll just go back to the FuturesTree file. So you can see DLF is already somewhere near its final target. So we'll just wait for a few minutes. Once we the market stabilizes, then we'll be getting the prices, the right prices and the right calls. PFC we have a sell call 276.50. IDBI we have a buy call. Hindalco we have a sell. You are seeing that. So RELINFRA we have that buy, and RELINFRA has done its intermediate target. You can just check that. So I'll just tell you the intermediate target levels. These are safe target levels where you can exit at something like around 5% profit minimum. So you can see that ADANIPOWER, it has already done its intermediate target. BHARATFORGE has done. So BHARATFORGE, if you ask me, it's around 4,000 rupees profit now. And RELINFRA has done its intermediate target. We have SBI which has done its intermediate target. We have a buy call and Nifty now. So these are some of the calls that we have. So SBI, let me just show you the chart. So we'll be knowing the final targets for SBI. It's a very strong call. So R2 is done. Once R2 is done, the next level can be the R3 level. That is around 2736. So HDFC Bank, we have a buy call now. the other advantage what I would suggest you is in case if the market is moving in the positive direction, don't take the sell side calls. Century Textiles has done its intermediate target 567. So as soon as the script reaches its intermediate target levels, what you can actually do is, in case if you would like to still continue with the trades, you can trail your stop loss. You can keep changing your stop loss such that in case if a script makes final target, you can maximize your profits. ITC we have a buy 358.50. So we will be buying one lot of ITC in futures at the current market price. So Nifty is also strong today. So we take all the positive calls, that is the buy side calls. So there you go. That is a Nifty chart. So BharatForge, I will just tell you, we have a strong trend from past 3 days. It gave its call at 758, now it is at 819. So in case if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. We had an sell call in TCS, it hit at stop loss. Now we have a buy call. Prices are updating, you'll have to check it. So in case if a script makes it stop loss, you need not worry. You can take the call in case if we get it on the other side. ONGC we have a buy call at 400. So prices what you are seeing are the spot prices. So with spot prices you can trade in even futures and you can trade even in options also. So Adani Power seems to be very strong. I'll just tell you what will be the position for Adani Power. So there is a possibility that it can make its final target and move further up also. We had a gap up open in Adani Power actually. Excuse me.